check. Turn me up, Rich. Oh. Listen up. I don't trust you. I don't know why. Maybe it's a smile. There's something in your eyes. But who cares? I don't know you went off, so it really doesn't matter anyway. I don't care about the shit you're telling me. It's really all bullshit. It's not the same. And if it's not, it makes no difference to me. 'Cause I'm really